Hi everyone, it's Full Jetski. The save or load system is slowly taking shape. Today, I just want to show you an overview of how it's starting to come together. I've just added some items and will be saving their data, like stats, quantity, level, and where they're placed in the inventory and hotbars. Let me set them up real quick. Okay, I'm also going to upgrade and modify the weapon stats and save them as well. But before that, I'll show you the character's upgraded stats and save that first. Once these modules are successfully upgraded, I'll equip them to the character. You'll see the character's stats change. When saving and loading the game, these stats will be remembered and loaded correctly. Now, back to upgrading weapon stats. It works just like how it does with the character stats. Now I'm going to equip them to the weapon. Just put them in like this. As you can see, the stats have increased. The save system will also remember the modified stats and the modules attached to this weapon, and they'll be preserved when you load the game. So this is how I've set up save or load in Game Maker. It's kind of complicated and takes a lot of time, because it has to keep track of every movement, action, and change for each object and system. I'm sure there are expert devs out there with much simpler systems than mine. Alright, I've been talking a lot. Let's go ahead and save and load the game. Just take note of how everything looks right now. After loading, it should all stay just like this. Oh, I already have a few save files. Let me delete them first, then I'll save to save slot number 1. Okay, save complete. Now I'm going to move the character to a different spot and load the game again to show you. I'm going to load it from the main menu. The game has finished loading. As you can see, all gameplay elements have been restored, like the character's position, HP, energy, food, and water stats, as well as the item positions and quantities in the hotbar and inventory, and the weapon stats too, along with the upgrade modules that were attached. I'm using SIN files for saving and loading. It's a pretty common method, and honestly, it's super convenient for me. Right now, it only saves the character's stats, position, and the inventory system. Like I said, it's still a work in progress, and I'm improving it daily. In the future, I plan to save things like enemy positions, in-game time, and more features. And that's the save or load system in my indie game. Right now, of the viewers on my channel aren't subscribed yet, so if you found the video helpful or think the project is worth following, I'd really appreciate it if you could drop a subscribe. And that's it for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.